What's going on, everyone? Lalit here. Satoshi Nakamoto is the maker, the creator, the everything behind Bitcoin. And literally for years, folks have been looking for him all across the world from every single nation, trying to identify questions that you can put into Google, like who is Satoshi Nakamoto, or who invented Bitcoin, or how was Bitcoin created? You look up anything, Satoshi Nakamoto comes up. And so, after so many years of looking through the forums, looking for traces, looking for clues, literally so much, I can't believe it, but I'm very happy to share with you today that I haven't just found Satoshi Nakamoto. I have a conversation with them. And so, I want to share that today, and with that, we'll get straight into it.
God, man.
Hello? Hello? Is this, you might not know who I am, but is this Satoshi Nakamoto?
Who's asking?
My name is Lalit Devraj, and I'm just a huge fan of your work and everything you've created, and especially Bitcoin, of course. And I just wanted to pick your brain about some questions I've had for years, and I don't really want to bother you, but do you have some spare time?
Yeah, I have a bit.
You have a bit. And where are you right now? No one's ever been able to find you. Do you mind if I ask where are you right now?
I'm just outside right now, walking my dog near my mountain house. But enough about me. What questions did you have?
Mr. Nakamoto, I'm having some trouble understanding you. Is this your real voice? Could you turn off whatever any voice modulation this is or something like this?
All right. What can I help you with?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello, Mr. Nakamoto?
Yeah, what's wrong? What were your questions?
Would you actually turn on the other voice you were using?
Is there an issue here? I don't see the problem.
No, nothing. I think it'd be better to protect your confidentiality if you used your other voice.
Man. All right. What do you want answers about, Lalit?
Yeah, for sure. Nothing. I guess my first question would be, why did you create Bitcoin?
It wasn't supposed to be like this, but to be honest with you, man, I just wanted to buy the new Black Eyed Peas album at Walmart, but they were out. I saw somebody on eBay selling it, though, and wanted it, but I needed to pay online, so just made some money up, hoping that they would say yes.
Okay. Wasn't a story I was expecting to hear, but thank you for your answer. And while I have you, why did you name Bitcoin? What? How did the name come to be?
All I told the dude was, hey, man, I'm going to give you a ton of this money I have. Big coins for you. Big amount of coins. But I think it got lost in translation, or he might have just been mad about this whole online money thing, because he started using this cheap currency with everybody, and then started calling it a bit of coins, Bitcoin for short. Before I knew it, everybody was using it, mining in Bitcoins.
So, interesting story. So, how much Bitcoin do you have personally?
Since its inception, I've lost a lot of them, but I used to have millions. 8,008,135 to be exact. But I've made some pretty bad deals over the years, and I'm all the way down to 69,420 though. Still probably more than anybody out there, but it's a real low amount now, I know.
69,420? These are the real numbers? Are you serious?
Yeah, they are. You'll never see these coins, but dude, just trust me.
All right. Well, this is a lot less glorious than I thought it would be. But I've had a great time talking to you, Mr. Nakamoto, and before I end the call, might as well ask the last question. And so, Satoshi Nakamoto, is that your real name, or what's your real name, I guess, if I may ask you?
Nah, I go by Satoshi for the mystery, but my real name's Steven. Don't tell anybody, though.
Steven. Okay. All right. Well, Steven, Mr. Nakamoto, thank you so much. I hope you have a great rest of your day.
Anytime, my man.
All right, guys, so you probably already know by now, but happy April Fools. Just wanted to make this. I've always wanted to make an April Fools type of video, so hope you enjoyed it. And with that, do subscribe, not for future content like this, but for everything more on the educational side of crypto, stocks, investing, credit, personal finance overall. But with that, we'll see you soon enough.